Welcome to the Digital Answer Base YouTube channel. In this video today, we're looking at on how to set rules in your Gmail account. First of all, let me quickly explain what rules are. Rules are another word for filters. Now, on how to set these filters are very simply. So where it says the search mail, so you go to the top right where it says show search options. Now you'll be presented with this particular screen here. Now, let me quickly run you through what this actually means. From is the email that you're actually receiving from. You can also set some rule sets when you're sending an email to a particular email address. You can also include certain subjects. Also, you can include words. Also, don't have certain words included, okay? Also, the size and the date, and then all mail or what inbox you want, the particular inbox for the particular email where you want it to filter out or set a certain rule set according to that particular rule set that you want. You can also set the rule sets around something that has an attachment or don't include any chats. So basically, another word for chat is when you have had previous conversations in a thread email with a particular person, so you can actually exclude them from that. Okay, let me quickly set an example. So as a test here, so we want something from subject line in not include hello. Anything that do with hello, we don't want anything from that. And sign up. Let's say if anything says sign up, we don't want it. We basically don't want that. Okay, that's fine. Has an attachment, so anything that also has an attachment from this particular email, I don't want it. So in this particular, okay, we select from all emails. So whatever inbox they come into, we don't want that. So now what we do is very simple. We create a filter. All right. You get to this particular section here. Now what you can do is the rule set, basically, what do you want the rule set to be doing? So we want the rule set to be as soon as we receive that particular email from that email address with those rule set, we want the email to be deleted. And then what we would do is delete. You can then create a filter. And at the bottom here, your filter has been created. So you can click on learn more. You can go to the support section of Google and just quickly read through it and see anything that you maybe see that you want to add or that you maybe wasn't aware of. You can then have a look in here, and then you basically can just adjust it according to what you want, because everyone is different. Everyone wants different rules for a particular email address, so you can then actually tailor it to yourself. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like what you've seen today, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any questions, by all means, leave them in the comment section. See you in the next video.